I originally got interested in IPVM because our department, along with the housing office with the university, had a video surveillance program begun, and it was kind of small. And I kept being referred to as our camera guy. And I said, well, before people ask me camera questions, can I get some more training? And they said, sure, go look for it. And when I found something I could do that was not a lot of my time each week, there wasn't travel involved, it was online, it was reasonably affordable for the department, everybody said, sure, jump on that. Everything we got involved in as it came along, turns out there was a class available for it, and I could learn a little bit more about that. So I kept taking the classes. I've taken every one that they offer so far. The reason I would recommend IPVM as far as a subscription for somebody who does what I do is not only the training being really relevant. I have not taken a class through IPVM that I did not learn something very practical that I put to use at my job within weeks, sometimes the same day, literally sometimes the same day.